Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to tell you of this 42,000 profit which I made trading in the futures market in just 3 days. So this is the profit and loss section of the reports where you can check in your trading platform. Mine is Zerodha, so it depends on each person's platform. So here there are different segments: equity, futures and options, currency, commodities, mutual funds. So I trade in the equities and the futures and the options. So actually not options, only futures. So and it's been just 4 days. Yeah, I've been trading the futures. And the first time I was able to book three profits. As you can see, these are the three profits which I booked. So I'll make another video on the equity later. For now, the futures, yes. So I want to show you all the date. Now I'll put a past date and show you all. Say October 1st to January 16th. Okay, let's view. So it's the same thing as you all can see. So you all can see there is no trade before. So 12th of January was the first profit booking which was done on the same day. I bought and I sold on the same day. So let me put the date range over here now from 12th January to the 15th of January. Yes. So as you all can see, I executed three trades and I was able to profit from all three of them. So I'll show you how I got this profit. So these are the two trades which I did. This Industrial and Bank I did twice. One this 3,285 and the next one is the 27,765. So I'll show you Bank of Baroda and first let's go with Industrial and Bank February futures, the ones which I traded. Yes. So as you all can see, I bought the shares at around 941 on 12th of January. See, this is the 12th of January. This is the 1 month chart. Yeah, it's the 1 month chart. So I saw there's a candle. This candle is called the bullish engulfing candle. As you can see, it's long and it is longer than the red candle which was previously made. So this is called a bullish candle. It's an engulfing candle. It is bigger than the red candle. So when I saw this candle, I purchased the shares at 941 and I waited for the market to go up. And on 12th it closed in red. Actually it was a loss of 5,000, but I kept holding the lot which I bought. And then the next day it went up to 972 where I booked my profit. However, it went up to I think 980. It went up to 985 on the same day. However, I didn't want to wait for more long. See, in the stock market, you cannot think you will buy at the lowest and sell at the highest. That's never possible. You need to wait and watch. The people who try to do the same thing, like sell at the lowest, sorry, buy at the lowest and sell at the highest, they are the ones who lose the money usually in the stock market. So you have to see that you are in between the highest and the lowest. Meaning when the market starts recovering, you need to purchase. See, I'll be making videos based on the candles. Like there are different types of candles, and based on the candles, you can not, you're not sure, it's not certain, but you can get about 80% chances of the way the market will go, whether it will go on top or it will go down. So this was my Industrial Bank trade where I booked a profit of around 27,000. So let me show you the Bank of Baroda trade, the second one. Yeah, this Bank of Baroda, this one, 11,700. So this trade took me just less than an hour. As you all know, who have been watching the market at least on Friday, the market was very bearish. It was going down. So Bank Nifty was also falling. But then, I was watching the chart continuously from morning and I saw this long candle. This long candle, this is again the bullish engulfing candle. When I saw this candle, I knew that the Bank of Baroda price of the February futures will go on top. At least it will go a little bit high. So I waited for some time. I saw another red candle. So I waited, but then I saw another green candle which engulfed the red candle. So I purchased at 74 and I waited for some time and the market it went it went up to 75, but still I waited and then again it came down for some time. You all can see this all happened within the time frame of maybe 30 minutes and then again it went up and I put a sell order at 75 and it got executed at 75. However, it went much more higher up to 75.5, but I didn't wait for much long. As I told you, must never expect that you will buy at the lowest and sell at the highest. No, we need to stay in our limits. Then we can be in profit. You need to be very careful while trading in the market. And guys, what I would like to suggest to you all, don't do this intraday. It's very dangerous actually. I lost money. I'll be making videos where I've lost the money on intraday. I'll be showing my trades. However, in overall, I'm in profit in the equities, much maybe around 60 to 70,000 profit. Yeah, 70 plus 70,000 plus. I'm in profit in the equities, even though I've suffered losses because of intraday. So these futures, what is the advantage of futures is you can hold it for a much longer period of time. It's not like it will sell itself on the same day like intraday. Intraday, you need to sell on the same day. If you don't sell, it will automatically get triggered. Your broker will sell the shares. However, in futures, you can carry it up to the month. Now, since I bought February futures, Bank of Baroda, I can hold it till the end of Feb. So that is the advantage you get in futures. While the leverage is low, for those who don't know what is leverage is the it's like the amount of times of the amount which you are investing. Like say I have 10 rupees in intraday, the broker will give me another 90 rupees. He'll say you can do nine times the trading. So in total I will have 100 rupees. So if I make a 10% of 100 rupees, I'm actually making another 10 rupees, which is my investment amount, 10 rupees. So I'm making a total of 100% in intraday. But actually you must be very careful in intraday because whoever says the market will go up, you cannot trust anyone because a small news, a small any incident in any company, anything can affect the market and it can fall very, and it can fall a lot. So always be careful. And now I'll be showing you all this Zerodha Varsity. This Zerodha Varsity is a very good it's same of Zerodha, but I think it's free for all. It's yeah, it has modules. See, you can see introduction to the stock market, options theory for professional trading, risk management and trading psychology, technical analysis, options trading. But what I would suggest you guys, introduction to the stock market. Know first what is the stock market. Then read the next one, options theory for professional traders. Then you need to know the risk management and trading psychology. This is a very important concept. Why? Because most of the people, they lose money in the stock market. Now, why do they lose money in the stock market? Because as I told you before, they wait for the lowest. They think it is the lowest, they buy. See, you can never wait for the lowest. What if the market goes down? You think that's the lowest point and you buy. Remember, always purchase when the market starts recovering. Never purchase at the lowest point because you don't know that's the lowest point. It might go more low. If you know your technical analysis, well, you might have a better chance in in entering the market because as I told you, the candles and all, you can make out on the candles whether to enter the market or no. So I'll be making videos based on the candles, like the different types of candles and all. If you all want, you all can get it over here in this technical analysis chapter. So that's it, guys, for today. Please, if you all want, just take this name down, Zerodha Varsity, and search it on the web. I think it's there on Play Store and the App Store. So yeah, on the Apple App Store. So if you all don't want to read, also it's fine, because I'll be, you know, putting up videos about the stock market. So, but it's better if you'll read, because it's much explained in detail. So I've invested about, actually my investment is around 4 lakh 60,000. This is the profit. Around 1 lakh 10,000 or 1 lakh 8,000 is the profit. I'll be showing you all my equity trades in another video. For now, I just wanted to show you all my February futures trade of IndusLand Bank and Bank of Baroda. So guys, thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.